Hey guys, it's Joe Doobie, Boomer Affiliate. Today we're going to be talking about traffic, buyer traffic, okay? This specific type of traffic is through Affiliate Advertising Club. It's fairly new. It's only like a month and a half old. And it's proven to be very, very, very good traffic. And let me explain to you how this all works, okay? First, you can register for free. All you do is click on the Join Now link, set up your account. You got to verify your account and your email, and then fund your purchase balance with Exodus with Litecoin. Okay, it's real simple. I used Exodus wallet. I just downloaded it on my phone and on my desktop, and it's really step by step. It's very simple. What I did was I attached my bank account to my Exodus wallet, and then I used my debit card to fund it, to buy the Litecoin, and then I funded my my account right here with Litecoin, and that's how you withdraw money too, is through with Litecoin. And the reason why is because it's crypto, it's decentralized, and you don't have any banks interfering or PayPal or any of that garbage. Okay, so now there's 3 different ways you can make money with this, and they're all awesome. Okay, first, direct referral purchases. When you refer somebody, your first up to $20,000, you're going to make 10% as a pearl. Okay, you make 10%. I made 10% on the $410 that my buddy that I referred to this Affiliate Advertising Club. He purchased $410 worth of advertising. I made 10%. What I did was I could have just withdrew the funds, okay, but I chose to repurchase ad packages, okay. So that's one way to make money. The other way is through your advertising, okay. When you buy advertising, you create banner ads. This is where you post your banner ads, okay. And you create banner ads, and then you advertise your offers that you have. Everybody's in network marketing or affiliate marketing, so you're going to want to do that is advertise what you have for sale, right? So you create a banner ad or text ad or both. You know, depends on what you prefer, or what, you know, you can test your campaigns. This whole thing it's real simple, okay? It's a lot of it's just self-explanatory. So that's 2 ways: the referrals, and with the selling, posting your ads and making money through purchases from the club members purchasing your products. So the 3rd way is ARP Earnings, okay? Here are my ARP positions. When you purchase ad packages, I chose to purchase ad packages, $10 packages at a time, and they show up like this. Okay, when you do that, it's all in one line. All these packages, mine and everybody else's, are all in one line. Yours will be as well. So how do we move these packages up so that they will double? Okay, there's some here that have doubled for me. A $20 package turned to doubled to a $40, so that was pretty cool. Anyhow, we want all of them to double, and so here's what you do is, let me show you this, how the ARP points system works. Okay, those were my ARP positions, and this is what you have to do in order for your ad packages to move up. Okay, if you have positions in the ARP, which I do, and you will as well once you purchase ad packages, then you need to log into your AAC account, which is Affiliate Advertising Club account, every day, and that'll give you 1 point. What you need is 5 points every day. So you have 1 point for logging in, and then you need to read 2 text ads daily. It gives you 2 ARP points, and 2 banner ads daily. It gives you 2 more ARP points, and voila, in about 3 minutes, you end up having your 5. And your ads will move up. Your ad packages move up. So your ARP points reset every night at 12 midnight Eastern Time, USA. So you need just to do this every day. It's 3 minutes. So if you got your 5 points, your ARP positions will move up and not down. If you got anything less than 5 points, all of your ARP positions shift down by the number of places that you're missing points. So that makes sense, right? What he's doing is he's incentivizing you to click on people's ads, which is genius, right? So that's the 3 different ways that we make money, okay? Direct referral purchases, you make a percentage on those. You make ARP earnings. Your ad packs were double. If you repurchase ad packs, that's great. If you turn repurchase off, then when they double, then that money will go into your account, and you can withdraw it through Litecoin and put it into your Exodus wallet or whatever wallet you choose to use. And then lastly, which is not least, people click on your banner ads, and they click on your banner ads and they purchase from you. So this is a wonderful, wonderful program. I love it, and I'm making money with it, and lots of people are making money with it, and I hope that you join me. Also, there'll be a link in the description of the video. Once you join me and subscribe to my channel and click the like button so it gets more and more views. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.